Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to print this pattern using the C language. So I will make a different slide on it. I can show you. So here it is. I am having let me take a variable a which is having a value of 9 because we are going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows and 9 columns. So we can use this for a for loop as well, for the looping as well, right? So what I can see is that I can make a new variable that is equal to 5. So when I'm printing this one 5, so first of all we are going to break this solution into two parts, that is from here to here and then from here to here, right? So talking about the upper part, so talking about this one, I can see is that my b is going to be printed, b is equal to 5. So for the first time b is equal to 5, then b is going to be printed when it is equal to the column number. Next time it is b minus minus, so this is going to be printed when these both are same, right? So till here the things goes very same. But what about this part? So I can use a new variable. Okay, so I can use a new approach. What is that? So first of all, let me see. For the first row, the C should be equal to. What I can write is that if my J is the column number, I can say it should be equal to A minus B plus 1. Right, so here it is A is my 9 minus, for the first time B is going to be 5 plus 1, which is giving me an answer of 5. So not correct. Therefore, nothing is being printed here, maybe here, or maybe here, or maybe here. Let me talk about the second row. Okay, for the second row, what I can see is the 6 is equal to A 9 minus. So here I have a b minus minus used. So what I can see is that b minus minus stick, so it's become a 4, right? So b minus 4 plus 1 will be equal to 6, which is true. Therefore my b is being printed. B is printed. It is as simple as that. So okay, so when we have covered the first part, and in the same way b minus minus, then we are going to print the 3, then 2, then 1. So what about this part? What I'm going to do is, for this part, my loops and each and everything is going to be pretty same, but what will happen is if my row number will exceed 5, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just plus b plus, for I less than 5 equal to 5, I was having b minus minus, but for this part I will have b plus plus cos 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 is here also and here also, so I need to increase the value of b, and this is the very pretty simple answer for solution for the given question. So before we had seen our approach, how we are going to solve this question, now let us directly jump onto the course and make a hand to it with the code and just see what we are going to do. So as I've said, int a equal to 9 and int b is going to be a divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Okay, so then I can make two loops, int I and j. So for int, it's equal to int I, or it's I equal to 1, I should be less than equal to, let's say a I plus, right? So in the same way I can make it for a j. I'm so sorry, j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 9, j plus plus. Yep. So let's see what we are going to do with the j. If, as I have said, our number b is going to be equal to our column number, then we are going to print it. Or what we can say is that our column number is equal to a minus b plus 1, then we are going to print it. So yes, let's write that simply. Printf modulus of b, comma, so we are simply going to print it like this. And else, what we are going to print is printf a blank space, right? So after the for loop, what we have given is that if our column number, upper column number is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, then what we are going to do is b plus plus, and else what we are going to do is b minus minus. And at the end of the for loop, what I'm going to do is print have a line break. So you can see this one. So yeah, sorry, I just made a mistake here. It will be equal to 5, then it's going to be very fine, right? So now I'm going to execute it, compile and run. What you can see is the solution here, right? So thank you everyone, and keep watching Secret for many more questions.